Hi everybody, this is Bev Gray from Technique Tuesday. I can't wait to show you this month's release. It's all about things that are sweet and cool and things you might do in the summertime. Now this is our Memory Keeper Studio stamp set, and it's called the Sweet Summertime Stamp Set, and it also has the matte dies for each of the images in that set. And when we created it, we obviously were thinking about memory keepers and how they might do scrapbook layouts like this one. But you can see here how you might use those same phrases to make a card like this one. So that's the Sweet Summertime Stamp Set and the Sweet Summertime Crafting Dies. Now to go along with that, we also created this set of word dies, and it's called the Cool and Sweet Word Dies. And here you can see an example of how we've cut out the mattes in green and then cut out the scripty words sweet and cool to go right on top of it. And that's called the Sweet and Cool Words Crafting Dies, and you can see on both of these projects how we use them with phrases from the Sweet Summertime Stamp Set. Now if you like classic strawberries, you're going to want to check out this Strawberry on the Border Crafting Die, and here you can see how we just die cut out those that border die, and then just filled it back in with some of the pieces from another color. And that's the Strawberry on the Border Crafting Die. Now another stamp set we're introducing this month is called the Strawberry Stamp Set and the Strawberry Crafting Dies, and this is our Greenhouse Society stamp set this month. And here's an example of how you might use that just to make a sweet card to go to a friend. The next die that I want to show you is called the Berry Basket Crafting Die, and here you can see how we cut out the background. It's just the thing that we put behind the whole thing to hold it all together. And then we cut out the thing with the slits, the little edge here, and then the strawberries that came with it to make that cute little berry basket, and that's called the Berry Basket Crafting Die. Now I want to show you another way that you can use that Berry Basket Crafting Die, although I'm going to show you several more in a different video. But here's an example of how you could use the Berry Basket Crafting Die along with this Funny Fruit stamp set. So instead of the more serious strawberries, here you can stamp a face on any of these fruits, put a little punny phrase with it, and then put it together with the Berry Basket Crafting Die to make a project like this. So this is the Funny Fruits stamp set and the Funny Fruits crafting dies. Now the last stamp set that I want to show you is our Animal House stamp set, and it's called the Duck, Swan, Goose stamp set, and it has a set of crafting dies to go along with it too. And you can see how you might die cut out those ducks, swans, and geese and take one of those punny phrases and use it on a card like this one and just add a little bit of coloring. Now before I end this video, I want to show you one more die, and it's called the Jam Jar Crafting Dies. And you've seen it on almost every project that I've shown you so far. So here you can see how it was used with the Funny Fruit stamp set, and you can see how it might be used with the Sweet Summertime stamp set. Here's another example of how we used it with the largest die cut label, and then the medium one, and here we just cut it in half. And here's an example of how we used it with the small little label on that card. So that's the Jam Jar Crafting Die. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the stamps and dies in this release. We're going to be doing more videos showing each of these products with more project ideas and also just some tips and techniques for using them. So if you're interested, visit our website and visit the pages for each of these products to learn more. Thanks so much for watching.